everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Bro's having a great day. Today is a special day. Every month, the collection for the Pandora Disney 100 comes out, and it's limited edition, and once it comes out, it's usually sold out. However, I was able to get the charm for the month of August. So there's 8 charms in all of the collection. This is charm number 6. So let's go ahead and get into it. I got a bag. Now I did go to the store and pick this up. All right, so I did get a bag. I got tissue paper. Tissue paper. It says Pandora on it. I did get the receipt, and I did find out something about the receipt that I wasn't aware of. At the bottom, they have a survey, and if you fill out the survey, they give you a code, and it's $10 off your next purchase, and it could be anything. So I'll be doing that later on. For the September charm is number 7, and that's going to be coming out sometime the first week in September, but I don't know what it may be. There may be some leaks. Maybe you guys know what it's going to be, but if you have any comments below, let me know if you've heard anything, what it's going to be. I think it may be Tinkerbell. I'm not sure, because they have on the bracelet, they have Mickey head. So I don't think it's gonna be Mickey, because they do have a Minnie, and normally they have a Mickey, that goes with it, right? But I think it may be, I don't know. This one was really strange too. I think it may be Tinkerbell, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think the next Pandora Disney 100 charm's going to be. All right. There it is. Now, they didn't have the hard copy. You also, with the Disney 100 collection, you also get a hard copy, authenticity. It's actual card. It's like that big. You've seen the ones that I've shown before. It gives you the description, because all the Disney 100 charms are silver, diamond, and 14 karat. All right. And they all come with Disney 100 sleeve. That is iridescent, and it's kind of hard to see, but I'll leave pictures at the end of the video, just so you kind of know. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, that's the sleeve. Pandora box. All right. Any guesses what it might be? You probably never guess. I never thought this would be part of the Disney 100. I don't know why, but it's part of it. I wouldn't think this would be part of it, because I would think Disney 100 would have like the classic characters, but no, it's a little mix of different things that I would have never thought about, like Baloo from Jungle Book. I never thought Baloo would be in there. I don't know. I thought Peter Pan may be in there, but no, haven't seen him. No villains. So I don't know. I thought maybe Snow White's apple. They have Cinderella's coach. So I don't know. And then they have the Oswald Rabbit was the first one. So I don't know. Speculatory. All right, let's go ahead and open up this, and I'll show you This is Simba from The Lion King, if you can believe it. Okay, these are very, very, very little. And they have 14 karat. They have the Pandora Diamond, and they're in silver. And they're like a dangly charm. And if you buy 2, then you can get the collector Mickey jewelry box. But you have to buy 2 in order to get the jewelry box. But if you're buying all 8, you can definitely get the jewelry box. And they're saying there's 9 in the collection, but the 9th one includes the bracelet. So it's really only 9. It's only really 8 charms, not 9. And like they had 4 at the Abbotsford store. And this is the last one there. And the strange part about it is that they don't transfer from like store to store. So if you were to go to Abbotsford and go to Pandora there, and then they didn't have it, all right, because they don't have anymore. Then you go to Guildford, they may not have it there. But if they had it in the Vancouver store, they wouldn't ship it to the Guildford store, you know, to like pick up. All right, so that is Simba from The Lion King, obviously Disney 100 charm for the month of August. All right, so I'm very happy to have it. It's kind of cute, but I don't know. What are you guys' thoughts? Do you think The Lion King is part of Disney 100 Wonder? I don't know. Are they going by like top rated movies? Yeah, that probably would go. Maybe that's what they did with The Jungle Book, because The Jungle Book was very, you know, high up there. I don't know. All right, so that is my unboxing of my Pandora Disney 100 charm for the month of August, which is Simba from The Lion King. All right, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. As always, appreciated. And I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks, guys. Bye now.